Software located right on your Windows 10 machine, called Easy Interactive Tools, is a great application to utilize with your interactive projector. The first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that you are connected to an interactive projector and that you are mirroring your laptop screen to the screen of the projector. In order to do this, you will want to press the F1 key on your keyboard. Choose the option that says Duplicate. Now you will notice that your projector and laptop screen are duplicated. If you are looking to have students annotate different websites, applications, or items that you use in your class, Easy Interactive Tools might be the program for you. When you have an article open, in this case we're using a Newsela article, you can go to the lower left corner of your Windows machine and scroll down until you find the folder called Epson Projector. When you open Epson Projector, you can click to open the Easy Interactive Tools. When the software opens, you can choose to complete a desktop annotation. Choosing this option will allow you to annotate on the website that you have open, and again, in this case, we're using Newsela. We have a highlighter available. As we did with other applications, we could utilize shapes as a way to make items in our notes stand out. We could also utilize a text box. The nice feature of this text box is it opens up a keyboard right away, recognizing that we would like to take notes. As we type in our notes, we'd like you to think about what items you put on your computer that could utilize desktop annotations. This is an area that allows you to be pretty creative when working with your students and the interactive projector. When we finished, we do have the ability to go through and to save our items. A neat feature of the Easy Interactive Tools is you can save all of your files as a picture, as a PDF, or you could also save it as an Easy Interactive file. A nice thing about doing that is that you can open the file at a later date and continue work if you left off at a point that was important to resume in the classroom. Please notice that if you do take notes, the shapes and lines do not lock in, so you'll need to be careful about how you move items when you're working with the software. In a similar feature to the Flex 11 software, Easy Interactive Tools provides a whiteboard for students and staff to work on. When the software opens, you'll just have to press the button that says New, and a whiteboard will open for you and/or your students to complete work on. Once the whiteboard is open, you'll notice that you have several different options. One feature that we'll highlight here is that there are different backgrounds built into the program. For music lovers, you'll see that there's staff paper available. Math teachers have graph paper. There's even lined paper for language arts teachers and other subject areas as well. We're going to keep the graph paper open to show how we could draw a line on this paper. We could even draw a shape to go along with our geometry class. In this program, it's similar to a slides presentation, so you can add in a new slide for students to work on. This is a great way to have every student come up to the board and participate. For example, each student could have their own slide that they complete a math problem on. Since we have lined paper open here, we're going to work on our penmanship. You'll notice that this one has a black background. Students find that fun when they use different colors and highlighters to see how the contrasting colors stick out. We'll notice on the left-hand side of the screen, we can go back to previous slides that we have worked on as a way to analyze different work that's been completed. This provides a nice opportunity for students within the classroom to have discussions. Maybe the most unique feature of the Easy Interactive tools is that the whiteboard allows you to have a live video stream pulled up. In the example you see here, the teacher is in front of the camera, and the teacher is going to show the student at the board how to draw a smiley face. You can see that while the student is watching the teacher, they can follow the steps at hand. This would be a great way for students to work together to try and solve problems, practice their rhyming skills, or even to just have a little fun. For students who don't feel comfortable going up to the board, seeing the teacher and the video might provide them a little sense of relief as they complete their work. Please note, as a teacher, you could also record the video and play it back for students at a later date. As a final note, you can use Easy Interactive tools without the projector. If you'd like to learn more about this or the Interactive Projector in conjunction with Easy Interactive tools, please contact your technology integrator for more information.